Try not to become a man of success, rather, become a man of value. With the quotation of Albert Einstein, I'm going to start today's live webinar on best career options for commerce graduates. Being successful is the desire of all of us residing over this lovely planet. It does not matter whether the concerned person is a child, youth, or the old aged. At each and every stage of our wide lifespan, it is our inbuilt desire to be successful and proceed forward consistently towards more massive success. Mentality of the competing with each other can frequently be noticed at any of the places, including schools, colleges, coaching, work fields, including organizations, offices, etc. As a comparison to our efforts towards the works to get success, we often expect much more and want success to knock our doors very soon. If in case it does not happen, we used to get frustrated and finally get deeper inside the darkness of inferiority. Such a situation has been noticed among most of the people where regular and dedicated efforts have been ignored and merely the failures have been entertained. It is most important to come up with your career planning as it gives you the much needed direction and makes it clear there where you see yourself in future. It makes you aware of your strength and weaknesses and the skills and knowledge that are required to achieve your goals in future. What after BCom reflects on possible alternatives which the candidate can refer to if they are stuck in dilemma as to what they should do. The best way to choose your career path is to build an appropriate skill set according to your career path. Is to build an appropriate skill set according to your set of interest in a particular field for which candidates should do some research and find out the possible careers avenues that match their interest and have a good scope in the future as well. Candidates who are confused as to what after BCom can either pursue masters in their related stream or take up an employment opportunity in the corporate sector. Going for master not only makes you more educationally qualified than the rest but also paves a clear way for better starting salary in MNCs and better designation. On the contrary, grabbing up a job after BCom will not only lead you to an early entry into the corporate environment but will also harness a spirit of professionalism for a bright career ahead. Being a graduate or completing graduation, which is very important step in your career. But if you have a little bit idea about what's going on in the job market, only then you will realize graduation is not all that is enough. BCom graduates will have the inclination towards business and commerce and to be precise for accounting. But BCom graduates will less think will their graduation will give them an edge in accounting or business. Or even, for that matter, just completing BCom with a high score will not ensure success in accounting career as they have to think further and be on their edge. The, the way job market is shifting in each of 5 years, there are hundreds and thousands of new jobs being invented. And if you don't realize what to do after graduation, then you will be left behind. And the decision such made should be thought provocative and free from haste to avoid burning one's career. Hence, take some time before final exam, sit and do some research on possible career options, which also goes with your career goals or options. I'm going to give a brief on few trendy courses which can be taken up post graduation. Number 1, postgraduate degree in commerce. MCom is the master degree program in commerce stream. The course duration is 2 years. Many universities offer this course. Students can do regular and distance education in MCom as per their desire. After post graduation, students can get government and private jobs. Candidates who pursue MCom open a wide array of opportunities in the corporate industry for themselves. In order to pursue an MCom degree, candidates need to prepare and appear for the entrance examination and clear according to the passing marks. Deciding after what BCom, if you are making your way towards MCom admissions, then you need to give in a good amount of research. Always go for those colleges who have attained a valid license from UGC and also have good corporate tie-ups with the leading industry giants to serve you better placements opportunities. Many private and government sectors offer great job opportunities. Banking sector is the main sector in which field MCom students can get a job easily because they have knowledge in banking, finance and accounting. The railway is the one of the best platform for government job. Railway Recruitment Board conducts written examination and also recruit the candidates directly on the basis of interview and academic performance. This 2-year post-graduation course after BCom will definitely lead to a secured career. You can expect moderate package after pursuing MCom. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline with 2 years course. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Top employers who hire these students are TCS, Infosys, BOP, Chinpat. Masters of Business Management. MBA is one of the most preferred post-graduation courses by students from all the streams, not just from commerce stream. A career in MBA paves a big way for entries to multinational corporations, which offer a superior work culture and thicker paycheck. In order to enroll for MBA admissions, the candidates need to do some research as to which college they should be choosing to pursue their studies for full time. A master's degree in business administration has gained widespread recognition and most popularity in India have predominantly targeted fresh students without any work experience. Most students make the error of perceiving finance as similar as accounting, whereas it is not. Finance is a vast and accounting is only a part of it. If one has to pursue MBA in finance, one has to prepare for CAT and GMAT. Preparation should be done during the final year BCom itself to see the wonders which in turn will help you to get into top 10 business schools in India. MBA gives an all-round personality grooming, knowledge of commerce and management domain, boosts the communication skills, and MBA gets the chance to involve in presentations, group discussions, public speaking, co-curricular activities and more, which shapes the students in such a way that they become a dynamic in whichever field they choose to get into later. The perception of a management education goes far behind mere academic education or research education. An MBA is also acceptable if you plan on going on for a PhD. Most schools recognizes it as a professional degree as well as an academic degree. A good career in MBA mostly depends on the credibility of the institute it is pursued at. If you are an IIM student, then success will follow you to your doorsteps. But doing MBA from an ordinary or less renowned institute might not add much value to your resume. The first step for MBA is the CAT, that is Common Admission Test Exam. CAT scores determines your eligibility in almost all the top MBA institutes. This is the one of the best courses after BCom. MBA can provided you with a highly secured career where you will get an handsome package as well. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline with 3 years course. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 6 to 10 lakhs per annum. Top employers who hire these students are Accenture, Bank of America. Chartered Accountancy course. One of the most common and popular career for commerce is CA. Many students pursue CA along with their BCom. But if you enroll oneself post BCom, he or she need not sit for the entry level exam, that is CPT, Common Proficiency Test, provided you have at least 55% in BCom. One can enroll after CA for CA after graduation in any discipline. In that case, one should have 60% in the graduation. Chartered Accountant exams are conducted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, and require one to clear 3 examinations, that is CPT, IPCC and final CA. IPCC exam consists of 2 groups. After clearing one of the group, a student is required to register for articleship with an experienced chartered accountant for a period of at least 2.5 years. After clearing both the groups of IPCC and successfully completing articleship, students can appear for the final exams. ICAI is the only institute which offers chartered accountancy course and gives CA certification. One becomes CA after successfully completing the course of chartered accountancy conducted by ICAI. One of the unique features of chartered accountancy curriculum is that both theoretical as well as practical aspects are being conducted simultaneously from the very beginning. Once you are qualified to affix CA with your name, you can be assured of an awesome career ahead with a handsome package. You also get a reputation. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline with 2.5 years of work experience. A student who successfully completes the course will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 7 to 20 lakhs per annum. Top employers who hire these students, to name a few: HDFC, Deloitte, E&Y, Tata and Accenture. Certified Management Accountant, CMA. Working in top MNCs is a dream of almost every individual student. If you are a commerce student and want to work for top MNCs, then you require a relevant certification that has international credibility. The Certified Management Accountant is another globally acknowledged professional certification credential that is offered by the Institute of Certified Management Accountant in the USA. Also, CMA has presence in over 100 countries of the world. Over the time, ICMA has produces very good caliber students. A CMA will be able to earn at least 33.33% more than any non-certified accountants and is more comprehensive than any other course one can pursue post-graduation. In this course, students have to clear 2 stages of examination along with the work experience of 2 years. It focuses on 2 fields: management accounting and financial management. If you process the certification, it means that you are competent and knowledgeable in the areas like financial planning analysis, decision support, and professional ethics, etc. To be a certified professional, students must clear two stages of examination and also have a work experience of 2 years after obtaining the certification and can find employment opportunities in organizations of all sizes and across all industries from public or private enterprises and not for profit organizations to academic institutions, government entities. MNCs, CFA certified professionals are always in demand. Eligibility: you must have graduation in any discipline and must have 2 years experience to go for the certification course. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. Top employers who hire these students are KPMG International, DHL, etc. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is a revolution that has impacted every industry and sector possible. Digital marketing has brought a revolution in the field of marketing, and it can provide you with a bright career that you had always dreamt of. Digital marketing also empowers you to be a freelancer and start your own venture. There are many institutions in India from where you can pursue a course in digital marketing after your BCom. You must note that digital marketing is a lot about how you will learn things. It is not about theoretical knowledge. You must know where and how to apply the things that are taught to you. Many multinational as well as the native companies hire for the job. Considering the digital marketing is one of the hottest fields right now, it would be wise to take up a digital marketing program after completing BCom. The essence of digital marketing courses to introduce you to the world of the digital marketing, its core concept and techniques of building a digital sound brand. Digital marketing courses focus on topics like CEO, email marketing, content marketing, web designing, and so on. Digital marketing courses can last from 3 to 11 months. Digital marketing is one of the best courses not just for BCom students but almost for everyone. As more and more companies are looking to establish their brand in digital domains, digital marketing is a highly promising career choice today. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline with 6 to 19 weeks course. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 4.5 lakhs to 8 lakhs per annum. Top employers: Amazon, Accenture, Dell, Cisco, and Infosys. Association of Chartered Certified Accountant, ACCA. After BCom, a graduate will feel confused and do not know exactly what will give his career a boost so as he or she can become an accounting professional. ACCA is accredited by Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. One gets to learn the technical part of accounting but also the management aspects as well, which is advisable as its global course under small budget which helps a career in audit and tax. ACCA is a popular course, is well known in 173 countries and is opted by thousands of students worldwide. There are 14 papers needed to clear in this course, and the duration of this course is 2 years. Multinational companies have a high demand for the graduates of this course and pay the salary ranging from rupees 5 to 16 lakhs per annum. Career in the fields of accounting, banking, management, and consulting. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline with a 2 years course. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 6 to 16 lakhs per annum. Top employers who hire their students are EY, KPMG, LLP, and Deloitte. Chartered Financial Analyst (CFA). The Chartered Financial Analyst is a globally recognized professional designation offered by the CFA Institute. Generally, the CFA course duration is 2.5 years and it is designed to measure and certify the competency and integrity of financial analyst. The CFA course includes a wide range of topics in the domain of advanced investment analysis, including statistics, economics, probability theory, corporate finance, security analysis, financial analysis, fixed incomes, derivatives, alternative investment, and portfolio management. Among other things which made this one of the best course after BCom. To accomplish the designation of CFA, student must pass 3 tier exams. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline with 2.5 years course. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 6.5 to 18 lakhs per annum. Top employers who hire these students are JP Morgan, UBS, Citigroup, and Bank of America. Business accounting and taxation. One of the most useful courses to do after BCom. Yes. This course is again for those who want a blooming career in the field of accounts. Business accounting and taxation course is a program that is meticulously designed by industry experts to groom aspirants to become an industry ready for accounting job roles. It's an excellent career option for BCom graduates. In this program, students will not only engage in practical and experiential learning but also master some of the most in demand tools of accounting and taxation industry. The course learning modules comprises of topics like financial reporting using ERP software, finalization of financial statements, goods and service tax, direct taxation, payroll components, and Excel and MIS reporting. After completing this intensive course, students can choose from an array of promising job profiles such as tax consultant, corporate legal assistant, company law assistant, financial manager, accounts executive, and tax analyst, to name a few. You get to work with a high-end accounting software. After qualifying this course, you have undoubtedly taken yourself one step ahead in professionalism. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline with 8 to 12 weeks course. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 3 to 10 lakhs per annum. Top employers who hire the students are Genpact, Bajaj, Adobe, and Datamatics. US Certified Public Accounting. If you are talking about accounting, then CPA is is of the highest standard all over the world. The credibility of this course after BCom is high, and you will get the recognition that you deserve. CPA, another globally recognized professional designation, certified public accountant course, is offered by America Institute of Certified Public Accountants, which is the world's largest accounting body. To pursue this course, you must possess in-depth knowledge of generally accepted accounting principles, that is GAAP. People who want to pursue a career in public enterprises, which is as good as CA course. Here you would get at least 15% more salary than non-certified accountants. CPAs are responsible for preparing financial statement, audits, and other attestation services to help and inform investors about the financial health of companies and firms. Also, they offer advice on taxes and financial planning to both corporations and individuals. Their primary duty is to provide financial reporting and advisory services. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline with 2 years course. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 7 to 20 lakhs per annum. Top employers who hire these students are JP Morgan, Citigroup, UBS. Financial Risk Manager, FRM. It is a globally recognized certification for banking and finance. FRM is an excellent option. The designation of Financial Risk Manager is offered by the Global Association of Risk Professionals. It does the gold standard in the financial risk management industry. If you obtain the certification, it indicates you have a sound understanding of risk management concepts in the present dynamic financial market. This is relatively short-term course of 9 months. To become a FRM certified professional, you must complete GARPS FRM program. Exams are usually conducted in two parts in May and November. A financial risk manager's primary job duty is to identify and analyze the threats to the company assets, earning capacity, and its performance or success in the market. Financial risk manager can work in sales, private banking, organizations, credit or market risk, trading, marketing, and financial services. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline with 9 months course, two-part exam conducted in May and November. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 10 to 18 lakhs per annum. Top employers who hire these students are ICBC, KPMG, HSBC, Deutsche Bank, Citigroup. Certificate in Investment Banking, CIB. To get a certificate in investment banking, students have to take CIB course for 6 months. Investment banker position is one of the best career option after BCom. The average salary for this course is very high. In this job, role will be provided by the clients with your expertise in raising capital by selling equities and issuing debt in the company. Certified in Investment Banking, CIB is an intensive global certification exam specifically designed to evaluate knowledge, understanding, and skills in investment banking. The CIB program is usually 6 months long and it tests the ability to create a systematic and strategic approach to determine the valuation for both listed and unlisted companies. In the context of mergers and acquisition, LBOs, IPOs, corporate actions, and restructuring, financial statement analysis, and other crucial investment decisions. After completing the CIB course, students can build a career in investment banking, private equity research, hedge funds, assets management, private wealth management, and corporate finance strategy. Eligibility is graduation in a discipline. Duration depending upon the course. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between 7 to 24 lakhs per annum. Top employers who hire these students are JP Morgan, Deutsche Bank. Company secretary is the one of the major pivotal job roles in an organization. All those students who are puzzled in picking up a right career can opt for a profession as company secretary. Choosing this career would solve a purpose as what after BCom degree. The roles and responsibilities of a company secretary is that they have to ensure the compliance with the regulatory and statutory requirements of the organization and adhering that the decision taken by the board of directors are implemented. A CS is responsible for managing all the legal aspects of a firm or organization. Company secretaries usually take care of companies' tax returns, maintain tax records, offer actionable advice to the board of directors, and ensure that all the legal and statutory regulations are met in all respects. To pursue this profession, aspirants need to appear for the entrance test, which consists of few modules, which needs to be cleared in order to get ahead. After clearing all the modules and passing the test, then the Institute of Company Secretaries certifies the candidate with the credibility of becoming a company secretary and also gives a certification for the same. Many graduates go for CS as it is a completely different course than CA or MBA. Here, one has to understand and digest legal aspects of business and qualitative analysis and report to executive secretary or CEO. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline, duration of the course 3 years. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 4 to 10 lakhs per annum. Top employers who hire these students are any MNC and private sector industries. Bachelor of Education. B.Ed is a very simple but beneficial course can opt after BCom. After completing BCom, perhaps one of the most straightforward career paths is the Bachelor of Education. It is for 2 years a long postgraduate teaching program that is explicitly designed to allow students to build a career in academics which made secure around 50 to 55% in graduation from a recognized university in India are eligible for this course. Usually, the course structure of B.Ed programs includes coursework in pedagogy, educational psychology, educational policy, and leadership, instructional technology assessment, social justice, special education, curriculum development, lesson planning, etc. After completing B.Ed in commerce, you can easily find jobs in government as well as private schools and colleges. Prospectors are really great because new schools and colleges are mushrooming all over the country. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline, duration of the course 2 years. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 2.5 to 4 lakhs per annum. Top employers who hire these students are any MNC and private sector industry. Certified Financial Planner is one of the best courses after BCom. There are a number of CFA institute from where you can pursue this course. It has a duration of 6 months and a wide career options like a financial consultant and insurance consultant. A certified financial planner provides services to his clients with expertise on topics like investment plans, insurance decision, tax issues, and personalized financial advice. The CFA certification is a recognition of expertise in the fields like financial planning, taxes, insurance, estate planning, and retirement. To earn this certification, the students must meet four formal requirements: education, performance on the CFP exam, relevant work experience, and demonstrated professional ethics. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline. Duration of the course is 6 months. After completion, the students will get an average salary anywhere between rupees 3.9 to 6 lakh per annum. Top employers who hire these students are any MNC and private sector industry. Hope you got answered to your question what you do after BCom. You can determine your interest based on your career choice that you would like to opt for after your graduation. You need to check the amount of time and the difficulty level and the price of the course before deciding which course to opt after your graduation. Thank you.